if you understand this idea that you're going to open up a school, there will be a community, you're going to create courses in the school, 1 or 2 courses, or put some of your video materials there. You're going to have weekly coaching calls and so on with people, Q&A calls. Now, if you put your school up, right? Now, where is there you're going to get traffic from, right? So I will talk about this a little bit right now. So you understand how it all works, right? And you know how to begin. Because if you set a price point, oh, I'm going to charge people $49 or $97 a month or whatever, right? So they can get access to your course, to your community, to your Q&A calls, right? For that price. If you set that and you set it all up on school, right? You need to get people subscribed now, right? How it all works is your traffic, your ideal potential clients or members, they already exist, right? And you need to kind of access them and direct them to, for example, to your, you want to build an email list, or you want them to follow you on social media, right? Or you want to put them into some kind of free community environment, right? So they hang around you, right? Now, where you get that traffic from is, for example, if you run a YouTube channel, right? All of these people will discover your YouTube videos. They're going to watch your YouTube videos. And from YouTube, you can direct them to opt in to your free stuff, right? Hey, in the description, there is a video or a lead magnet or a PDF or whatever that I'm giving away to you, that one, right? Go access it, right? This builds an email list for you. Or what I'm doing these days is I'm saying to everyone, even on my YouTube and everywhere else, hey, I got this free community on school, come in, join us, right? People come into my free community on school, they leave me their email as well, right? And that's how I build my email list as well at the same time. And how I am building this free community first, so I can turn it into paid members then, right? Now, people can come from YouTube, they can come from your website if you're writing articles and it's SEO optimized, Google search traffic comes to your website, right? So this is very much connected with YouTube stuff. You could be running your own podcast, right? And collaborating with other people and do joint ventures, or go on other podcasts and then promote your email list or free community there, or your channels, right? So you could be doing that and reaching more audiences via that option. You could go into other Facebook groups and optimize your Facebook profile funnel the way that I did it myself as well. Let me give you a quick example. So you know that I went into a lot of Facebook groups myself, and I put this kind of cover photo here, and I'm sending people to click in the link in my bio to join my free school community, right? So whenever I post in other groups, people see my profile, they check me out, they come click on the links on my Facebook profile. Even I have pinned this post here on top, and this post is getting people to comment invite, and I am sending these people to my free school community, for example, right? So that's how I'm leveraging other groups, because I go with my profile and participate in other groups and make more connections, friends. I post there, and people then, that's how they come to my school community, right? So that's another way. Facebook groups with a profile funnel. You could be doing similar thing with Instagram, right? Posting on Instagram all the time, having link in the bio, hey, come to my email list, or come to my free school, or whatever it is, right, on Instagram. And or you could be posting content on all of these platforms and saying to people, comment down below, this word, and I'm gonna send you my free PDF, my free video, or access to my free community, right? So that's where the traffic comes from, right? You posting content, creating content via all of these different ways, even paid advertising, right? So that's another way. And there are probably more ways to do this, but that's where traffic comes from. You're gonna need to become a content creator, right? Send all of that traffic to your email list somehow, and to build maybe a free community, either a free Facebook group or free school group first, right? You want to gather people from social media into one place, focused place, maybe for free at first, that you can then start turning these people into paid members, right? So, for example, how I build an email list is I have this, like I showed you before, this landing page, opt-in page, and even from my website, from my YouTube, or from some of my social media activities, content that I post or whatever, right? I send people here and they opt in to my email list to access my free video material that teaches them certain things, right? So that's how this works. You want to send traffic from social media places to your email list or to your free community, or even to a paid community directly, right? For example, like I said before, right, from YouTube or from wherever, or from your email list, hey, join my membership here, subscribe to it right now.